Hello my dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me once again, Teacher Teen, your teacher for today's vlog. So in this topic, we're going to discuss about Mathematics A, 3rd quarter, week 3, and we will discuss about triangle congruence. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more updates in mathematics. Pag-uusapan natin ang tungkol sa triangle congruence. Ano nga ba pag sinabi natin triangle congruence? When we say triangle congruence, it is the rule or method used to prove if two triangles are congruent. Sa Tagalog, anong ibig sabihin ng congruent? Magkatugma. So, triangle congruence, ito yung gagamitin natin para malaman natin kung yung dalawang triangle ba ay magkatugma. Sila ba ay pinagtagpo? Sila ba ay itinadhana? Ano daw? So, ayun ang ating pag-uusapan ngayong vlog natin ito. Kapag sinabi nating triangle congruence, two triangles are said to be congruent or sinasabi natin na magkatugma sila if and only if one of them can be made to superpose on the other as to cover it exactly. Okay, yung sinasabi natin na congruency of the triangle, so sabi natin, di ba, two triangles are said to be congruent if and only if one of them can be made to superimpose on the other so as to cover it exactly. So let's say for example, we have two triangles here. Mako-cover ba ng isang triangle yung isang triangle? So yun yung ibig sabihin ng congruency. So kung mako-cover niya yung isang triangle, so it means that they are congruent. So let's say for example, this, the second triangle. So itong color blue, di ba? So tingnan natin kung yung size ba nito ay kaya niyang i-cover yung isang triangle. So as you can see, na-superimpose niya. So na-superpose ni triangle A si triangle B. So the reason why these two triangles are both congruent, so they are congruent with each other kasi they can cover each other. So kahit pagtakipin mo yan or pagpatungin mo yan, so same ang kanilang size. Yun ang sinasabi na congruency. So kagaya nito, ibig sabihin itong triangle ABC, itong isang buong triangle na to, ay congruent siya sa triangle DEF. That's it. Okay, so let us have this example. So we have two triangles. So let us see what are the congruent angles and the congruent sides. So since kanina napatunayan na natin na these two triangles are congruent with each other because they can superpose or they can cover one triangle to the other one. So let us have the congruent angles and the congruent sides. So meron tayo dito mga tick marks. So yung mga tick marks, ito yung nagpapatunay na ibig sabihin, this side is congruent with this side. And this side is congruent with this side. And this side is congruent also with this side. Okay, so we have triangle ABC and then triangle DEF. So let us have the congruent angles. So ang symbol na ating congruent is of course yung ganyan. Ano po? Okay, so angle A, okay, it is congruent with angle D. Okay, angle D. Next, angle B. So, sa kabilang triangle, ano naman ang katulad ng angle B? So, we have angle E. Next, angle C. So, angle C is congruent to angle F. Now, how about the congruent sides? So, sa sides, we will use the line AB. That is congruent to line DE. And how about this line BC? Okay, line line BC is congruent to line BC. So, ibig sabihin yung katapat nito, EF. And for the last, we have line AC. Line AC is congruent to line DF. Dahil yun ang kanyang kapantay. DF. DF. So, that is our congruent angles and congruent sides. Okay, this time for our second example, we have, okay, ito naman ang ating given. So, meron tayong triangle TJM. Triangle TJM is congruent to triangle NIA. NIA. Triangle. Okay, so ito naman, ibig sabihin, paano sila magkakatagpo? So, ibig sabihin, pag ito, iginano natin, ibig sabihin, yung side nito ay congruent siya dito naman sa kabilang triangle. Okay, now, let us have the congruent angles. Okay, congruent angle. So, mapapansin natin dito, meron itong mga sukat. So, ibig sabihin itong 30, ito ay 30 degree. Ibig sabihin, 30 degree itong M, which is, tingnan nyo, same siya with this one. So, ibig sabihin, itong dalawang side ang magka-congruent. And then this one, 60-60. So, ito ay angle 60 degree. And then this is angle 60 degree also. And this one, since it is a right triangle, and we know that right triangle has 90 degree. So, let's now have the congruent angles. For the congruent angles, so we have triangle T. Simulan natin dito. And that is congruent to what? Angle on the other side. Of course, 90 degrees. So, ito ang katambal naman niya dyan. So, katugma niya ang angle N. Now, how about the angle M? Angle M is congruent to angle 30, 30. So, katugma niya ang angle A. And for the other angle, for the last, angle J, that is congruent to, of course, kagaya rin ng 60, so that is angle I. So now, how about the congruent sides? So for the congruent sides, again, we will use this line. So let us first, we have TJ, kasi TJM. So line TJ, okay, yung side nito is congruent to what side? Of course, this line. So this is congruent to line NI. Next, we have line JM. So, TJ tapos JM naman. So, line JM, that is congruent to line IA. Okay, so line IA. Very good ah. And for the last, TJM, TJM. So, MT naman tayo. Okay, so what is the line which is congruent to line TM or line TM? So, let us have line TM. Line TM is congruent to line NA. Okay, that's it. So, we have the congruent angles and the congruent sides. Now, okay, how about this one? So, let us complete the triangle's congruence. So, for the angle, sabihin this one and this one, this one and this one, this one and this one. So for angle A is congruent to angle, okay, this one, the angle E. Angle B. So angle B is congruent to angle D. And how about this one? So angle C, obviously, it is congruent to angle F. O, di ba ganun lang siya kadali? So, ngayon, how about for the congruent side? For the congruent side, so we have line AB. Line AB is congruent to, okay, so since ito yung kapartner niya, so ED. So, line ED. How about, okay, line, okay, for the line DF. Where is line DF? DF. So, alin ang kanyang congruent? Of course, this one. So, line BC. And for the last, we have line AC. Line AC is congruent to, ayan, line FE. Okay, so ganun lang kadali ang kumuha ng congruent sides and congruent angle. So dapat lagi nyo lang titingnan kung alin ba dun ang magkatugma at magkaparehas. Yan. That's the end of our lesson about triangle congruence. So sa ating next vlog, ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano mag-compute or paano computing or isolve yung mga nasa triangle congruence kung may nawawalang isang measurement ng isang angle sa isang triangle. Paano ba natin ito i-compute? So, abangan nyo ang kasunod nating vlog tungkol dyan. So, this is me once again, Teacher Tid. So, hindi lang teacher sa science, kundi teacher nyo rin sa math. So, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more updates in mathematics and science. Bye!